Hey guys, Harvard's Cheshire Kid 123 here. I know I made a video of this fan before. It was hanging on one of my testing rig, and due to the pipes being close together, I couldn't get the housing on. But this time I'm making a video of it, but it's fully assembled from the top to bottom. And yeah, so what we see here today is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Cheshire. I'm not going to tell you where I got it, who I got it from. You can look in my previous video about this fan to get the idea where I got it and who I got it from. Now, I think this Cheshire is an older one or later one because it takes the candor lopper bulbs, and then the earlier ones, give you an example here, they take the regular light bulbs. This one has the Harbor Breeze logo stamped on the side of the housing. My aunt's two Cheshires, they don't have that at all. This thing is, of course, made by Litex, because you can obviously tell. But I like these fans. They're good fans, for my opinion, so I'll give Litex somewhat credit. Not. Anyway, we'll start with the light. I am using one LED bulb because that's all the bulbs I can find. I am going to warn you, due to the housing not being straight, I don't know, I tried numerous times to fix it, but it doesn't work. It does scrape on the housing, so I'm just giving you a warning. I'll start with low. The blade pitch on this fan, I would say roughly 12 degrees. Motor uses 152 by 10 stamped steel motor, maybe. This fan does have a wobble. You can see there. There's the light again. Now, around high speed, I should say, we'll probably do it somewhere around, I don't know, 110 RPM. Here's the light again. Alright, well that includes our video. Thanks for watching.